everyone. My name is Laura Stevenson. I am an independent consultant with 31 Gifts, and I wanted to come to you today and tell you about this awesome bag that I have here. So this is the Deluxe Organizing Utility Tote. It is on sale this month for only 15 bucks. So with a $35 purchase, you can get this for $15. That's a steal, so don't miss out. The dimensions on this are 14 inches high by 19 and a half long by 7.5 deep. It's a pretty decent sized bag. Great for overnight, for weekends, for a family of 4. I use this for an overnight bag. And then I had our cosmetic bags, pajamas, next day clothing, everything like that in there. You can put shampoo bottles on the end. You can put water bottles on the end. You can put anything else like toiletries or anything on the ends there. Lotions, things like that. On the one side, you have a Velcro pocket which runs the length of it and then from here down. So you have a decent sized pocket there. On the other side, you have a zipper pocket, which again runs the length of the bag, and it's got a pretty decent depth to it. Put more things in the side here. You have so much storage. The inside does not have any pockets. As you can see, no pockets on the inside. You can use zipper pouches and things like that if you need pockets on the inside. Again, this is the Deluxe Organizing Utility Tote. Has a nice double strap here so it can easily be carried. If you have any questions about this, you can comment below and I will get to your questions as soon as I can. Again, subscribe to my channel so you can get more awesome videos from me about all of the awesome 31 product. Thank you and thanks for subscribing. Bye.